So check out this time machine or pixel clock. It looks super cool and it's incredibly easy to show things like weather, subscriber count, crypto stocks. Plus I have 4 other really awesome and useful desktop accessories that I want to share with you today. So welcome to Future Tech Friday. The Pixel Clock is coming up, but first I wanted to highlight this air duster, quite possibly the best one out of the rest. It boils down to this red dial because you turn it on and it starts up right away, and then you can control the speed level the further you turn it. It's really fast and also quieter than most thanks to the brushless motors. And it has a longer battery life than some of the others and gives you that fast USB-C charging. Plus there is a light in the nozzle so you can really see the dust that you need to bust. It also comes with a lot of attachments, including 2 nozzles, plus you have 4 different brushes from harder to softer, just for any cleaning scenario. There's also a key remover tool in here in case you need to pop out a key to clean out underneath. So it's a beautiful aluminum alloy body and works great. And check out the link in the description for the current price, and also there are some discounts that you can act on right now. Alright, so we still have an awesome headset, iPad hub, and 3-in-1 charger, but let's get to this really cool looking gadget. This comes in from Devoom, and it's the TimesGate Cyberpunk digital clock. This thing is inspired by the realm of future technology, and when you plug it in and connect it to the Wi-Fi and then connect it to the app, you could do so much with this. It's actually quite amazing how much you can do. And with the dual edge ambient light and customizable backlight combinations, you can get 12 different light effects, making it look awesome in your office or your room or wherever you're gonna have this, especially if you're a gamer. The 5 full color LCD displays with 128 by 128 pixel art and also animated GIFs, you can have a really fun clock. You can display real-time assets like crypto stock prices, social media followers, individual real-time game data, and you also have a clock with weather and even special countdowns, and you can even customize them more so that each one does different things. And the more and more you play with it, the more you discover, and there's always something new every time you go into the app. Also through the app, you can create your own patterns and GIFs. You can draw what you want or use their huge pixel art library of designs and fine-tune this thing to your own style. Check out the link in the description so you can learn more. And yes, this would be a great gift for gamers out there, or even just those creative types. All right, let's do a quick one here. This one comes in from Top Tier, and it's a 3-in-1 charger, perfect if you have a MagSafe phone, AirPods, and Apple Watch. It's super sleek looking with this very sturdy metal curved arm. It's fast charging, and I love that you could just swivel your phone to turn it into alarm clock mode. It is just top tier quality, and currently they have a 20% coupon code, so check it out. On that note, also check out this iPad hub. This thing comes in from Invisi, and you can turn your iPad into a full-on computer. It is very sleek and has the highest of quality of any of these I've ever seen. You pop your iPad in here and you plug it into their cord that also includes an on-off switch, so you can turn off and on all of your ports quickly. And speaking of ports, this opens your iPad up to a charging port, USB-C and 2 USB-A ports at 5 gigabytes per second, an audio jack, SD and micro SD card reader, plus HDMI out with 4K 60 Hz. So that is amazing. There are also magnets on the clamps, giving you the perfect spot for your Apple Pencil, and that arm is super strong and just makes it easy to bend it around to the position that you need for your iPad, whether it's for business or for art, and so much more. Check out the link in the description for more info. And last but not least, check out this really good looking and high quality wireless headset that also comes with a charging stand. It comes in this really nice travel case, and you can see how the headphones can bend down to fit in it easily. You also get that charging stand that you can easily pop together, and then you put your headphones on there, and it looks really nice, but also it charges it up, giving you up to 50 hours of listening. The headphones themselves look amazing, and I love this felt look throughout the set. Just lots of amazing features on here. One of the big ones is that you can connect these to multiple Bluetooth devices, so you can be on a call with your phone, and then you can be listening to a video on your computer at the same time. But also they have this hybrid active noise cancellation to block out the rest of the world, so you can focus on your work, or you could put it into hear through mode so that you can listen to your music, but also hear the world around you and even have a conversation at the same time. There are different music modes, including bass boost and some others to help enhance the listening experience, and there's buttons to control the tracks or take calls and more. Plus you can pop on the included microphone that fits perfectly into this spot, and you can use it to take calls or meetings.
And so this is what the microphone actually sounds like when it's hooked in. It's not like, studio quality, but it's perfect for taking calls or doing your business meetings over Zoom or Skype. And it does a good job just focusing in on my voice.
So that's 5 really awesome products that you can get right now. So if you're in the market for any of these, well, you know that these exist. Thanks for watching another Future Tech Friday.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.